My name is Sterling Smitty with InspectionSoftware.com, and I'd like to show you how to install our software on the computer and the iPad. First thing you do is click on Downloads in the upper right hand corner. Now I want you to notice right here it says that you have to go to go down to the App Store and download FileMaker Go version 13 on the iPad. It's free of charge. Or you can just click on this app here and it will tell you exactly what you have to do. I'm going to go right back to where we were. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download it. This takes like 5 minutes. I've already downloaded the software, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the icon that comes up. And what happens is it's going to ask you to install 3 things. Our software, and it's going to, some computers will come back and say that this is unrecognized software. Are you sure you want to install this? And just say yes. Some computers with the new Windows, you have to hold down the control key and say yes. Anyway, so then what you do is after it's on the computer, you'll get 2 icons. You'll get a photos icon, and that's where you put all your photos. So you can automatically load these photos into the software. So I'm going to open the software. It normally opens automatically, by the way. And you've downloaded and installed 2 other programs, a magnifying glass, as well as a PDF print factory. And that's what we use to make our PDF files. So here we have installed the software, and from here we either go to the order form, we can find inspections, we can go to the current inspection, we can preview any section we want at any time. We can go back to the order form. These are our other inspections: 4 points, wind mitigation, a citizen's 4-point, roof certification, a risk analysis. We also have a new risk analysis that we just came out with, a risk analysis and a 4-point combined, which is really nice. And down here is information about the home warranty. If you want to include that, it's free of charge for the first 30 days. All you have to do is send a copy of the report to the warranty company, and that's it. It's free. And that's it. From here, I'd like you to make sure that you read the part of the manual that says iPad Help. And that's all about moving files back and forth to the iPad. And that's what we're going to do right now. First thing I'm going to do is exit out of the program. Very, very important. I'm not going to make a backup. Normally I would before I move files around. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my iPad. Okay, I'm going to click on Apps, and you're going to make this wider. Can I make it wider? There it goes. There we go. I'm going to click on Apps. We want to make sure it's wide because there's a scroll bar here. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here's FileMaker Go. These are all the programs that we have on here now. Whoops. I'm going to delete everything that's on here. And if the first time you install it, that's what I would do. Is there's like 4 files on here from FileMaker Go, and I just hit the delete key. I just held down the shift key and the top and bottom one. I deleted everything. Now I'm going to add files to the iPad. I'm going to come here and I'm going to add all the FileMaker Go files, which are here. You can see it says FileMaker here. Hold down the shift key. I don't need my backups. And I'm going to open those, which means bring them over to the iPad. And here they come. Now if I want to add my manuals and things like that, all my instructions and that, I'm going to wait just until it's all done here. There it comes. I'm going to click Add again, and here's all my PDF manuals. And that's all the PDFs. Now our main files we move back and forth are always narrative photos, and inspection control. So those are the ones where our inspection information lies. So now we have a copy of everything that was on our computer is now on our iPad. To start this on the iPad, we would click the FileMaker Go icon. That would bring us to a list. We click the very top of the list. It says Auto Open iPad Identifying Report. That will bring you up to the main menu, and you can take it from there and do your inspection. When you come back, you want to come back and copy files from the computer to, from the iPad to the computer. And you do that by getting back here. You make sure that you have exited out of the software, because files will not move back and forth with the software open. So we exit out, no here, and we plug in our iPad. Okay, sometimes we got to bring the icon up. There we go. Here, oops, still not plugged in. There it comes. Okay, applications, all the way down to the bottom of the list. There we are. Now we're going to move files from the iPad to the computer. I'm holding down the control key, and I'm going to grab narrative photos, and inspection control. I'm going to save it to the computer. It already remembered where I was, and it just wants the folder name. It says these files exist right over them. Yes. And that's it. You can see them coming across. Now we have moved our files back from the iPad to the computer. Remember always, add means add to the iPad. Save to means save to computer. Or you can use the drag and drop method as well. My name is Sterling Smitty. If you have any questions, please email me at support@inspectionsoftware.com. Good day.